This is the ultimate travel guide to Saint Kitts and Nevis, Twin Island charm. Discover two Caribbean gems where lush mountains meet turquoise waters. From historic sugar plantations and volcanic landscapes to pristine beaches and vibrant local culture, Saint Kitts and Nevis offer a perfect blend of adventure, relaxation, and island charm. Saint Kitts and Nevis, a pair of lush islands in the Caribbean, captivate travelers with their verdant mountains, pristine beaches, and vibrant culture, often overlooked in favor of larger Caribbean destinations. These twin islands offer a unique blend of history, adventure, and relaxation. Saint Kitts, with its bustling capital and dramatic landscapes, contrasts beautifully with Nevis, a serene retreat brimming with colonial charm. Together, they form a compact paradise where nature, culture, and luxury converge. Point 10. Basseterre, the capital's vibrancy and history. Basseterre, Saint Kitts' capital, is a lively city that reflects the island's blend of history and modernity. Independence Square, with its colonial architecture, once served as the hub of the sugar trade and today is a focal point for local gatherings and festivals. St. George's Anglican Church, rebuilt after several earthquakes, stands as a testament to the city's resilience and architectural heritage. Basseterre is also home to bustling markets where visitors can purchase tropical fruits, local crafts, and souvenirs. Exploring the city on foot offers a glimpse into everyday island life, with colorful streets, friendly locals, and the aroma of Caribbean cuisine filling the air. Point 9. Brimstone Hill Fortress, history among the clouds perched atop a volcanic hill. Brimstone Hill Fortress is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most impressive fortresses in the Caribbean. Built by African slaves and European engineers during the colonial period, it was designed to protect the island from invaders. Visitors can walk through its ramparts, bastions, and military buildings while enjoying breathtaking panoramic views of Saint Kitts, Nevis, and the Caribbean Sea. Exhibits and guided tours provide insight into the island's colonial history, military strategy, and the lives of the enslaved people who built the fortress, making it both an educational and awe-inspiring visit. Point 8. Mount Liamwiga volcano hiking adventure. Standing at over 3,700 feet, Mount Liamwiga is a dormant volcano that offers one of the most challenging and rewarding hikes in the Caribbean. The trail begins in tropical rainforest, passing waterfalls, dense vegetation, and exotic wildlife. Guided hikes are recommended, as they provide context about the island's geology, flora, and fauna. The summit opens to the crater's edge, revealing a lush interior and panoramic views of Saint Kitts, Nevis, and the surrounding Caribbean islands. For adventure seekers, this hike combines natural beauty, exercise, and the thrill of standing atop a volcanic peak. Point 7. South and North Friars Bay, beaches for every mood. Saint Kitts beaches are a major attraction, each offering a unique experience. South Friars Bay is lively, with calm waters ideal for swimming and beachfront restaurants serving fresh seafood. North Friars Bay offers a quieter, more secluded setting, perfect for relaxation and sunset photography. Both beaches are great for water sports, including kayaking, paddleboarding, and snorkeling. Early morning visits offer solitude and the chance to watch the sun rise over the sea, while evenings reveal the island's signature Caribbean sunsets. Point 6. Nevis, tranquility and colonial charm. Nevis, smaller and quieter than Saint Kitts, is a haven of serenity. Charlestown, its capital, is lined with colonial-era buildings, cobblestone streets, and charming cafes. Visitors can explore Nevis botanical gardens, relax at Piney's Beach, or unwind in natural hot springs. The island's slower pace makes it ideal for those seeking relaxation, romantic escapes, or wellness retreats. Nevis' small luxury resorts and boutique hotels offer private experiences, making it a perfect complement to the more energetic Saint Kitts. Point 5. Nevis Peak, hiking and natural wonders. The volcanic Nevis Peak, standing over 3,200 feet, is another must for hiking enthusiasts. Trails lead through dense rainforests, past waterfalls, and offer sightings of exotic birds and wildlife. Guided hikes provide knowledge of the island's ecology and history. From the summit, Visitors can enjoy breathtaking 360-degree views, seeing Saint Kitts, the Caribbean Sea, and other nearby islands. Hiking Nevis Peak is a challenging but unforgettable experience that rewards effort with unparalleled natural beauty. Point 4. Historic plantations and sugar estates. Echoes of the past. Both islands were central to the Caribbean sugar trade, and remnants of plantations, the landscape. Brimstone Hill sugar plantation ruins and other estates reveal the island's colonial and economic history. Walking among crumbling stone walls, cane fields, and machinery provides insight into the lives of enslaved Africans and European planters. Guided tours and interpretive signs help visitors understand the social, economic, and cultural impacts of the sugar industry, connecting the past with the present-day identity of the islands. Point 3. Water adventures. Snorkeling, diving, and sailing. The waters around Saint Kitts and Nevis are vibrant with marine life, making them ideal for snorkeling, diving, and sailing. Coral reefs teem with tropical fish, and shipwrecks offer underwater exploration for divers. Visitors can charter boats for sunset cruises, experience sailing adventures between the islands, or enjoy kayaking and paddle boarding. The calm Caribbean waters provide perfect conditions for beginners and seasoned water sports enthusiasts alike, while the clear blue sea enhances photography and relaxation. Point 2. Culture, festivals, and cuisine. The soul of the islands. The culture of Saint Kitts and Nevis is a vibrant mix of African, European, and Caribbean influences. Annual events, especially Carnival in December and January, feature parades, music, dancing, and colorful costumes. Local cuisine is rich with flavor. Fresh seafood, tropical fruits, and dishes like goat water stew, saltfish, and roti delight the palate. Music is central to island life, with calypso, soca, and reggae filling streets, bars, and beaches. Engaging with locals during festivals, tasting street food, and learning traditional dances provide an authentic cultural immersion. Point 1. Twin Island harmony. Experiencing Saint Kitts and Nevis together. The ultimate experience lies in embracing both islands as a single destination. Saint Kitts offers adventure, history, and bustling energy, while Nevis provides tranquility, natural beauty, and colonial charm. Traveling between the islands by ferry or boat highlights the contrast and complementarity of the two islands. Exploring local markets, hidden beaches, historic estates, and volcanic peaks across both islands provides a holistic understanding of their charm. The combination of culture, adventure, relaxation, and natural beauty makes Saint Kitts and Nevis a complete and unforgettable Caribbean experience. Thanks for watching the ultimate travel guide to Saint Kitts and Nevis Twin Island Charm. Make sure to subscribe for more inspiring travel guides and breathtaking destinations around the world. See you in the next adventure. Keep exploring and enjoying the natural beauty and culture our planet has to offer.